Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rock climbing shoes for kids that are available on the market right now. Whether your little one is just starting out or already scaling the walls like a pro, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So without further ado, let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Mazri Kids Rock Climbing Shoes for sport climbing and bouldering. These shoes are designed to offer a versatile option for young climbers, whether they're tackling indoor walls or exploring outdoor boulders. While the brand might not be as well known as some others on this list, these shoes deliver solid performance and comfort. The Mazri shoes stand out for their straightforward design, which emphasizes functionality. The durable outer material is built to handle rough surfaces, while the rubber sole provides decent grip on various climbing surfaces. However, one aspect that could be improved is the overall breathability of the shoe, as the material may not be as well ventilated as other models. These shoes are ideal for parents looking for an affordable option that covers the basics of climbing footwear. However, they might not offer the same advanced features or long-term durability as other brands in this lineup. Overall, the Mazri shoes are a decent entry-level choice for kids who are just getting into climbing. Pros include their affordability and versatility, while cons include their less breathable design and limited brand reputation. At number 4, we have the ClimbX Rave Strat Climbing Shoe 2019. ClimbX has a solid reputation for creating durable climbing gear, and this shoe is no exception. It's designed to be an all-around, comfortable climbing shoe with features that cater to both beginners and intermediate climbers. One of the standout features of the ClimbX Rave is its double-stitched construction, which ensures durability over time. The padded collar and heel add extra comfort for long climbing sessions, and the polypropylene midsole offers a good balance of support and sensitivity. The shoe also comes pre-downsized, so you'll want to pay attention to the sizing recommendations to ensure the right fit. While the rubber sole offers solid grip, the shoe itself leans more toward an entry-level design, meaning it may not suit advanced climbers looking for aggressive performance. The ClimbX Rave is a fantastic choice for parents who want a reliable and comfortable option for their kids as they start their climbing journey. Pros include its durable build and comfortable fit, while the main con is that it may not provide the performance needed for more technical climbs. At number 2, we have the Black Diamond Kids Momentum Rock Climbing Shoes. Black Diamond is a well-known brand in the climbing world, and their Momentum shoes are a fantastic choice for young climbers. Designed with comfort and durability in mind, these shoes are perfect for beginners and intermediate climbers alike. The Momentum features a flat, neutral platform that's perfect for vertical climbing or just general foot comfort. The 4.3mm rubber outsole is built for durability and provides great traction on both indoor and outdoor surfaces. One of its best features is the engineered knit upper, which offers exceptional breathability and ensures that kids' feet stay cool and comfortable during long sessions. The large hook and loop closure makes these shoes incredibly easy to put on and take off, which is a big win for parents. Overall, the Black Diamond Momentum shoes strike a great balance between comfort and performance. Pros include their breathable design, lightweight feel, and solid durability. The only downside is that they might not be the best choice for kids who need a more aggressive fit for technical climbing. Finally, at number 1, we have the La Sportiva Kids Stick-It Rock Climbing Shoe. La Sportiva is a household name in the climbing world, and the Stick-It is a testament to their expertise in crafting high-quality climbing footwear. This shoe is a top choice for kids who are serious about climbing. The Stick-It shoe features a simple yet highly functional design that makes it perfect for kids of all ages. The adjustable lacing system loops around the top of the foot and heel, ensuring a snug and secure fit. The breathable leather upper keeps feet comfortable during long climbing sessions, while the friction rubber sole provides excellent grip on both plastic and rock surfaces. This makes the Stick-It one of the most versatile shoes on the list. What sets the La Sportiva Stick-It apart is its overall comfort and adaptability. It's designed to help kids progress quickly, thanks to its supportive yet forgiving structure. Pros include its high-quality materials, versatile grip, and comfortable fit. The only con is that it's slightly more expensive than some other options, but the quality you get justifies the price. If you're looking for the best overall climbing shoe for kids, the La Sportiva Stickit is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect climbing shoes for your kids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Happy climbing!